We'll guide you through how to use Claude Artifacts effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Artifacts website. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, you need to click on the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Go to the Artifacts section on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all the available artifacts that you can use or customize. To use an artifact, simply click on it to view more details and options. If you want to customize it, look for the Edit button or similar option. You can adjust various settings like color, size, or any specific parameters that suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the settings, save your changes. Now, to apply the artifact, you need to go back to the main dashboard. Select the project or area where you want to use it, and then choose APPLI Artifact. This will bring up a list of artifacts. Select the one you've just customized. Click APPLI or similar to confirm. You can always go back and make adjustments if needed by repeating these steps. Remember to explore different artifacts and settings to find the best fit for your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.